iconic. I'm into it. What brand is this?
I don't know. I bought it at I went to Sally's and then like I asked her
I would
like
trust that.
yeah, and so like I went and I was like, hey, I want to do a balayage with my hair, and they were like, oh, how much lighter do you want to go? And I was like, a couple of shades, and they were like, oh, just do 2 packages with that.
Yeah,
and then
blue will only make it probably blonde.
and then like I had to add toner after.
Yeah,
so this was like
definitely
an
the
after.
toner. Yeah.
Okay, and then I have to put one of these. Ready?
What is the hairstylist doing?
So, one of the associate hairstylists is me because you're gonna be as well, and Karina, she's gonna do her own hair as well. What I'm doing is parting the hair. I don't think today that we should dye the bottoms because that's just a lot and it's late. Yeah.
What time is it right now?
I think like 10:30. Oh.
Oh wait, I need to use my hair.
Todos los pinches nudos, ¿cómo me los voy a quitar? Parece una ratita. No, it should actually be more teased.
Romper el pelo.
Literally testing like this. Oh my god.
¿Para qué es eso?
You look crazy.
Estamos confundidos.
Wait, so then I have to wait half an hour for this to lighten.
Well, just check it.
Ay, mi madre. I can't hold this right. Okay. She's gonna explain what we're doing.
So, I picked this spot because it's not very visible from the back and the front, and also we have to see how the color lifts. Very crazy, like these can be bangs.
It's a new hairstyle with the beach.
Let's check back in. 10 more minutes.
Casi no se nota, pero se nota como un...
Oh yeah, I can see it from like, oh wow. You could be a professional.
Let's do this. But yeah, it's very pretty, huh? So I changed my shirt, obviously, but we're still in the process. But we're gonna tone it afterwards, which probably very soon. And these over here, and then I'll do this section. Probably basically done.
The things I do for YouTube, man.
So right now we have to wash the hair. Limpiar este cabello muy bien para que le apliquemos este producto que le va a solucionar el problema de el... ¿Cómo te explico? Ella quiere mantener su cabello rubio, entonces este producto le va a ayudar a mantener ese cabello rubio.
Squint. That pose though. Your girl's freaky one. Ooh. Get it all the way up there. Get it all the way up there. Bake this shit for a minute. Ooh, that skill though. That's to like really like rub it in, like wash it in, yeah.
Could you explain this to us, Loreley?
Yes. So we mixed the toner and the, what was it called?
Development.
Oh my god! I inhaled that. This reeks of chemicals, and now we're rubbing it into all like the tips of her hair, like where she has the dye. That way, it'll be like more blonde. Like it'll stay maintained.
Yeah. I'll take out the brassiness. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days since I dyed my hair. Basically, this is the end result. It is like a light brown, but it also has some blonde hues to it. I'm currently wearing a headband, so don't think that it's like blonde up there. I've been getting a lot of compliments from people saying like, I love your hair, it's really cute. And I really appreciate the love and the support. I actually went home and I told my mom about it. She was kind of shocked, but at the same time she didn't really care because it looked cute on me. Like this change of look, it's really subtle, but I really hope that in the future I would probably be trying more colors. But yeah, this is my end result. So thank you.